Hey guys, and welcome to my very first haul video. I was in London earlier this week on a Facebook/Instagram event, and then I stayed a couple of days longer to do some sightseeing, but also a little bit of shopping. So now I'm gonna show you what I got. So first I went into Forever 21. It was actually the first time I was in the store. I knew that they had a lot of affordable clothes and a lot of choice, so I was very excited to check it out. And the first thing that I got was this yellow shirt. It looks like this. I like the color, the fit, and I think I'm gonna wear it with jeans or some overalls. The material is quite thin, so it will be great for spring and summer as well. Then I got in love with this hoodie as soon as I saw it. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I love wearing red. And especially for filming, I like to wear primary colors like blue, red, yellow, and green, as I think these colors pop really nicely on the camera. And this hoodie literally has all these colors, and I also love that it is long enough so I can wear it with tights and be as comfy as I can get. Next up, I got this adorable pink mini skirt. I don't think I would normally go for it, but I'm planning to film something with this one, so that's what I bought it. I mean, it's really cute with these little buttons and it fits nicely, but I'm just not used to wearing things like that in real life. But hey, maybe it's time to give it a go. Let me know what you think about it. Then I got this cute crop t-shirt with candy stripes, and I love it. You can wear it with overalls, shorts, skirts. I feel like it goes with literally everything, and you'll definitely see me wearing in my videos a lot. Alright, this next piece is very out there. And although I love it, I probably wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't for the videos. But yeah, here's my new epic jacket. What do you guys think about it? I actually love it, but at the same time, I'm not sure if I'm brave enough to wear it in public. It has this cool duochrome unicorn skin material, and I'm very excited to see how I can style it. I also got these adorable ankle socks. I love the print and the designs. They had a deal buy 2 get 1 free, so I took 3 pairs. And my favorite pair is this minty blue with flamingos, pineapples, and lemons. How cute. I also got some random items like these rainbow beauty blenders. I figured that they will be great for videos, but I also use them every day, so they'll come handy for sure. And check out this gorgeous brush that I can use to apply highlighter, blush, or just have it as a decor. While in London, I also visited Primark for the first time ever, and I was so excited because I wanted to go there for years and I finally did it. But actually, I was pretty disappointed. There was so many clothes everywhere, also so many people. Maybe I was just too tired because it was already evening at that point, but I only got one thing, which I actually love very much, and this is this beautiful sweater with pastel stripes. So cute for spring, Easter, but also all year round. This thing is so soft and I know I'm gonna wear it all the time. I also got another sweater from Monki. This one is blue and white. It's pretty thick and, to be honest, a little bit itchy, but I will survive. My hands down most favorite item from this haul are these sneakers. I saw them in Guess on the airport and fell in love instantly. They give me that Wonder Woman vibe with red and blue. They also have that Gucci inspired stripe here and the gold star details. These are definitely my favorite pair of shoes I've ever owned. In a store called Salsa, I got this sweatshirt. I found it on the sale section and the quality seems really nice. I'm the type of person that always wears jeans and sneakers, so these kind of shirts are the easiest to throw on. I bought this backpack about a month ago, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. I was looking for a nice backpack for over 2 years now, but I just couldn't find the one that I really like. Finally, I saw this one by Moschino and I was sold. I bought it in an outlet store because it was last year's collection, but I don't mind that at all. On top of that, it was reduced for January sales, so I literally got it for a fraction of the price, which is awesome. Exclusively for filming purposes, I got this super sparkly coat by Bershka. I think it's really cool and I'll definitely wear it in my videos, especially for sketches and things like that. I could see myself playing a crazy magician or something similar. But yeah, I think this one is really cool. I'm just not brave enough to wear it in public. Lastly, I picked up some makeup products because I haven't bought any makeup for about 3 years now, and I also don't receive any PR packages like other YouTubers and Instagrammers. I don't get any of that, so I was literally wearing the same makeup, the same everyday makeup routine for the past 3 years, and I thought, girl, you need an upgrade. I picked 3 items from number 7 stand because they had an offer buy 2 get 1 free, so I'm here for a good deal. And I got a blush, a liquid lipstick and a lipstick. For the lipstick, I got this rosy shade. It looks very natural, your lips but better kind of shade. Next, I got this pinkish liquid lipstick. I never wear things like that, so I thought I'll give it a go. Last of the three items is this peachy blush. It's matte, blends well, super natural, and I desperately needed a new blush, so I'm very happy with it. Just before going back from London, I saw these plain colored notebooks. I love these because they're really inexpensive but also very easy to pimp up and personalize. You'll definitely see me DIYing with this tree in some of my main channel videos. But that is it for today's haul. Let me know if you liked it and if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you and I'll see you soon. Mwah! Bye bye!